Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I've set an autumn sunflower pumpkin tablescape. I'm using fun fall dishes with a bright color scheme of orange, yellow, and brown. So let's take a look around the table. I'm using a tablecloth that has sunflowers, autumn berries, and shades of orange, rust, brown, and gold. I'm also going to be using my burlap placemats today. These I believe I ordered online from Big Lots. I'm also going to use some autumn chargers. These have got fall leaves and acorns. I found those at a thrift store. These orange dinner plates I picked up, I believe, at Dollar Tree. I do have some that came from Walmart too, and I believe Target sells a line like these. I've got pretty much every color, and those are the orange. I have these pumpkin little plates that I'm going to use as salad plates. I got these several years ago, I believe at the dollar store. And I have the sunflower bowls. They're bright yellow with the brown centers. I got these last year, I believe on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be using my wood-handled flatware today. I like to use this for all my fall tablescapes. I picked it up at JCPenney's. For my glasses, I've got these pretty amber stems. These came from Walmart, but gosh, I'd probably say I've had those for at least 20 years. And then I have these pretty olive green. These make me think of depression glass, but they're reproductions. I got these a couple years back at Hobby Lobby. I also have these cute little leaf cupcake stands. I have green, gold, and orange, and they came from Dollar Tree. I ordered these last year. And I've got these cute little pumpkin dishes. Perhaps they could be for custard or some candy corn. I got those at Hobby Lobby. And for my dinner napkins, I'm using brown along with these woven napkin rings. Here in the center of the table, I've used my pumpkin terrine. I think it's so pretty with the bright orange and the green platter. I got this quite a few years ago from a mail order company called Domestications. And I also got a cabbage, and I think it's so pretty. I've used it here in the center. I've just set it on top of a green cake stand to elevate it a little bit above all the fall leaves and pumpkins. And here on either side, I've got these metal leaf fall candlesticks, and I've just put these cute little candy corn candles in them. I got those candles on clearance a year or two ago at Cracker Barrel, and I think they're so fun. And here down the center of the table, I've just used preserved leaves. I've strewn those around, and I've used a berry vine. Actually, I put it down first, and then I covered up the vine portion with the autumn leaves. And I've just got little gourds and bright little pumpkins. I tried to use some of my smaller ones, and I've just got those going down the center of the table for my centerpiece today. Here I've got a pretty leaf bowl, kind of looks like a maple leaf. And I've got a pretty gravy boat. And here's some little cute pumpkin salt and peppers. And this is one of my favorite little fall decor pieces. It's a peck of pumpkins. I think that's so cute. Mother found that at a thrift store, and it has a candle in it, but I just love that. We use it every fall. We get it out. I think that's so cute. I love the autumn earth tone colors. I always have. I've got a big collection of pumpkins. I keep them in a big bin in the basement. I've got small ones like these on up to really big pumpkins, and I just pull out whatever I want for my decorating. This is a fun little leaf tray. And I love this little candy corn. I believe this little dish came from Goodwill. I think that's so cute. Here at this corner of the table, I've stacked a couple brightly colored cake stands. These are from, I believe, Dollar General. I got them a couple years ago, and I've set this pretty pumpkin pie plate on top. It's got acorns and leaves. And then I have a couple little gourds. These are just, they kind of look like salt and peppers, but they're not. Just some little glass gourds that I've set on the cake stands. Mother has a big collection of pie plates, and we've got 2 or 3 pumpkins. They're each different though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a happy fall. Bye-bye now.